Hi everyone, so we're going to learn how to build a gamification button, just a regular button that allows you to modify your button for the days of the week. So it populates the days of the week automatically. So what we're going to do is, first off, we're going to click the right slash button that lets you populate and put together your button. You can always start off with your button property because that way it's easier. We're going to tell this new days. And currently it is empty because we don't have anything here. And then we're going to come back down here again, type in a table. We're going to put in a database. So we are going to name our database nap time. We're going to slide this over. We're going to insert, right click our plus button, and we're going to put in a checklist. Come over here and we're going to select the checkbox function. So with this checkbox function, we're going to put in 3. We're going to right click again and populate it 3 times. That way it duplicates it, but we're going to change the name of it to Monday. Tuesday and Wednesday. And oh, I almost forgot one more property we're gonna add here is the date property. The reason we're adding the date property is because we need to know what date we're going to be taking our nap. And then we can come in here move this over. Struggling a little bit. Okay, and then we're going to come over here to the little 6 dashes on the side. Click duplicate. And we're going to duplicate it one more time. Close out our date property, just make it shorter. And then now we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and those are set for the days that we're taking our naps. So now we're going to come into our date property. We're going to click on new action, select add page. We're going to select the database, which is our nap time database. And we're going to click on edit property. So we are going to select Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. And then there's 2 ways you can do this, as a checked option, and I'm going to show you a unchecked option. And our last date property we're adding is date. So when we come in here, it will time trigger that specific property. So say for instance, this is unchecked. These are all unchecked properties. And then once that is set up, it will show you Okay, and here is our setup for a empty database where the boxes are not checked, but we're going to duplicate this specific button again. And this time, this one is set for a checked new days. So now when these are marked, the date will populate as well. Set this to date triggered, not time triggered. So I'm going to show you this in two separate settings. So when it's checked, it will give you the date. When the new days are not checked, it will give you the date and time. So that is the end of that. And then something else that you can also do, which I will recreate I will duplicate this button one more time. This one's going to be a little bit more advanced. An advanced new days option. So what you can do is no, I don't want to get this to the enhanced option yet. Oh, actually, no. Yeah, advanced option. You're going to come to your keyboard, click at next Tuesday, 3 p.m. So we just selected that next Tuesday, 3 p.m. So, say for instance, you click on the advanced check option, it will give you the option of next Tuesday to set as your date. So I will go over that one more time. So we're going to click on the little gear edit button, and at the top here, erase this, type at, and so far, from what I can tell you, it gives you 7 days in advance, I believe. Whatever is up to next Tuesday. So you can set it as like at next Saturday for them to be checked. So say for instance, you click this and then it'll give you next Saturday as an option. So I hope this was a good tutorial. Hey guys, we're back again. We're going to do an image transition button. So like usual, we're going to create our button first. So image up. I'm going to leave this blank. And we're going to duplicate this to the right click, and then we're going to select duplicate. But we're going to, oh no, okay, it didn't first. We're going to toggle this image down. We're still going to leave both of them blank. Image up is in the event that we want to make the image go up, and the image down is in the event we want to make the image go down. So then we're going to come down here to the body of our image, and we are going to, I'm not going to embed it, I'm going to come over here to Google. We're gonna go to Google Images. We're gonna select an image. I'm just gonna pick a picture. You can pick any picture from any Google image that you want. So you're going to pull. Let's see what picture we want to pull. We're going to pull. Let's pick a really good picture. If we send pictures on it, we're gonna be here forever. So we're not gonna do that. We're just gonna pick a photo. Oh. Let's see. Let's pick. Let's choose like an action photo. None of this. Okay, so when you're picking a picture, you just want to be mindful of the photo that you're picking, because sometimes the photo might come out grainy and sometimes the photo might not come out right. So we're going to pick this one here. We're going to right click. We're going to click on copy link address. I might mess up in this video actually. Okay, now that we've copied it, we're gonna go back to our Notion page. We're gonna right click again. We're gonna click on paste, and we're going to click on option that says embedded. I'm gonna give it a second because it's gonna load. Not the best way to upload a photo, but this will do. So then now we're going to right click on the photo. We're going to click on the option that says, when we right click, and it's going to ask us copy link to original and copy link to block. Click on copy link to block. And then we're going to come back to our edit button. And click on new action. So when you click on this button, you're going to click on new action. And you're going to click on insert blocks. And when you click on insert blocks, it's going to give you the option that says below button, above button, at top of page, at bottom of page. So we're going to do this at the top of the page. So when you click here, you're going to insert your photo. You're going to click sync to block, and then it's going to pull up with the photo inside of it, as you can see. And then at the bottom, you're going to click done. So as I said before, done. As you can see, when I scroll up, it's going to be at the top of the page because we're moving this image up. And then we're going to click done. So now this is the original. So here, let me create this call out option that says original image. So we can see the differences. And then we're going to take the original image that I put in here, we're going to insert it inside. So that's the original image. So when we go in and we click image up, it will have it at the top of the screen. And then here's the bottom of it. Here, we'll make this a full page, a full page, so we can really see the difference. So the original image is at the bottom, and then the image that we wanted is at the top. And then now if we wanted the image to be at the bottom of the page, we will go back, we will click insert blocks, but this time we will click it as bottom of the page, and all we did, like before, we're going to paste our URL inside of the block, and we're going to click sync block, because when we click sync block, it syncs the image that we took along with the action. So now, this is still our original image. Now we click on image, image down. We're going to scroll to the bottom, and that image is exactly at the bottom of the page. Image up, image down, and that is how you create your button to move your images.